Okay, now we in here in the monkey house. That's what we're trying to see what's up there, but
No, they got this one now. It's temporary office.
oh, temporary off. Okay,
This
so
one's out here.
here we go. There you go. I see him. That's the monkey. I'll go over there. Oh, there's another one up there, you guys. There's another one up there. So there's two in here. Two monkeys.
And I was like right here, and you leaned over, you're like right here, and the girl
They ain't doing nothing right now, but there. There's two of them. One way up there. So we're gonna walk down here and I'll tell you what kind they are. These are these kind of monkeys. I can't pronounce it. Oh, he went up there, you guys. Oh no, it's three. Okay, let's
There's
go.
another one up there.
Oh, there, yeah, way up there. Look at this.
Four.
Uh-oh.
Y'all ready to go? Y'all done with this?
There's four of them.
Yep, I still got him.
Oh, no, you gotta get some foliage. Fell off.
There's three? Yeah.
He eating paper?
No. Their food's like in that little cage.
Oh,
And,
okay.
and this is probably stuff that they dropped. Yeah, this is probably stuff that they dropped.
Oh, that's lettuce or something to look like.
Yeah. See, they got like a little thing right there. And they just reach in and grab it.
Oh. They eat all day long.
Or cage, babe. So,
And they sitting there like a grown man.
mhm.
Look at the other one.
Four of them. There's four of them in there.
Yeah, I see that one way up there.
Mhm.
Wonder where he going.
You going over there to get some food too? Watch, you about to knock that other one out. Get your ass out the way. Jack.
Uh-oh.
Right over top
Uh-oh.
of
Yeah, like they don't want to share. Okay, we're leaving. We're going around here. I don't know what's around here, you guys. So you guys are going with me. Oh, just some pictures.
Oh, different side of the cage.
Oh, it's a different.
Oh, different animal.
Uh-oh. Look.
And all of them are eating too.
They always eat.
Two of them.
There's two of them in here.
Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. He's right there.
These old.
One there.
Yeah. These are definitely old couples.
They have beards. Remember what kind of monkey we're looking for the life?
Okay. We're going on down. It's dark in here, you guys. It's dark. But we got some more over here. I don't know if they're out, but this is the southern black holler monkey. Now, if he in here, he hollering.
If he's there.
I don't even think he's in here. Okay, let's go on.
See him out.
I don't see him out either. But these are their habitats. And then he get right in my video. You see that? That's the kind of monkey that's supposed to be in there. Okay, we're gonna go over here. And this is the kind of monkeys that's supposed to be in here. But as you can see, there is no monkey. They might, oh yeah, they might be outside because I see the things out. So let's go around. And we have some more monkeys. This is the coast of the care.
Oh my god. Where's the other one? Where's visitor number 2?
Oh, what a cute monkey.
Going back into their little room.
He's over there.
It's funny. Every day they talk about
See him?
monitoring.
So these people walking by and looking at him.
But it talks about more about just making decisions like environment and diet. That all small monkeys, they're one of the only monkeys observed swimming in the wild. You don't realize special. Which, interesting, they don't give them any water. There's this little pond here. I don't think you can swim in that.
Come on, monkey.
Yeah, that's fair. I just think, if she's the only, if they're the only
Come
type of
on.
monkey that swims, you should be given swimming time.
He's getting a shower.
It's in the door.
Wonderful.
Oh, he's eating.
Is it there?
Is he gonna give you that hand to him? Because sometimes monkeys just get stuck hands with them.
Let's go over here to this one.
Yeah. I like how he's staring at us. And
This is called a swamp monkey.
he's like, you can't have
He
it.
look like he came from the swamp.
Yeah.
Look at his face.
There you go. Look at his tail.
What?
Look at him.
What is
Do you guys know we bought 2 drinks from out at the zoo and it cost $14 just for a root beer and a Red Bull. That's crazy. Okay, we heading out of here. We're gonna go to the next destination.